Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare your own hyaluronic acid serum at home. Many people seek to enhance their skincare routine with this powerful humectant. We'll go through the straightforward process of making a fresh batch, ensuring you understand each step. This method is widely recognized as the practical way to create a hyaluronic acid product for personal use, offering a cost-effective solution for skin hydration. To begin, gather your essential supplies. You'll need high-quality hyaluronic acid powder, readily available from cosmetic ingredient suppliers. Distilled water is crucial to avoid impurities. For accurate measurements, a digital scale is indispensable, as precise ratios are key. Also, ensure you have clean, sanitized containers. For a longer-lasting serum, consider including a broad-spectrum preservative, which is highly recommended for any water-based product. Now for the simple mixing process. First, measure out approximately 1/4 teaspoon of hyaluronic acid powder. Next, pour 1 cup of distilled water into a clean mixing bowl. Slowly sprinkle the hyaluronic acid powder over the water, stirring continuously to prevent clumping. The mixture will initially appear lumpy, but don't worry. Cover the bowl and let it sit for several hours or even overnight, allowing the powder to fully hydrate and thicken into a smooth gel. Once your serum has reached a smooth, gel-like consistency, it's time for storage and application. Carefully transfer the finished product into a clean, airtight dropper bottle. For optimal shelf life, especially without a preservative, store your serum in the refrigerator and use it within 1 to 2 weeks. With a preservative, it can last up to 3 months. Apply a few drops to clean, damp skin in the morning and evening, then follow with your regular moisturizer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.